The Imagination Factory is like a crucible of ideas that get forged into something new.
We take ideas and make them into reality.
The Imagination Factory is a company that makes stuff that matters.
We believe that designers have a real responsibility for tackling some of the very difficult global challenges that we face.
We really enjoy using our engineering and technology understanding to solve real-world problems.
Such as bringing millions out of poverty through low-cost irrigation, or simply making everyday products in a more sustainable way.
We're working with a think tank of businesses, universities and recycling plants to come up with new models of material return to help our designers use plastic in a better way.
The projects that get us excited is when we push the boundaries.
I've been very excited working with a guy called Richard Browning, who straps jet engines to himself and is pioneering a new form of flight, and that's literally had the hairs on the back of my neck standing up.
One of the projects I'm really excited about at the moment is the Leaves on the Line project, where we're solving the autumnal problems and hopefully making commuters' lives easier, as well as saving millions of pounds.
At the Imagination Factory, we see everything through a human-centred design lens, and our clients really value that. I often think it feels like we're a team of explorers who are making new discoveries and working on things together, supporting each other, having a lot of fun, and let's face it, you've got to be naive enough to start and stubborn enough to finish.
My business is CTM Design, and we are an industrial design consultancy focusing on aircraft and aviation. There isn't another agency like Imagination Factory. It was the human-centred design approach and the way that they took that process and made that process their own. Their approach to work means that whatever the challenge is given, we know that they are going to find a solution, and that solution is something that we can deliver firsthand to the client.